If you are asked to graph an inequality, you're supposed to show visually where all of the points are that make a solution to this. For example, you pick just some random point like this one over here, 4, 1. If you plug 4 in for x and 1 in for y, that makes a true solution because 4 times 1/2 is 2, and 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is greater than 1, or in other words, 1 is less than 5. That would be a true solution. We want to show all the points where there's true solutions. Let's first graph the equation. Let's pretend there's no inequality there. Let's graph where that line is going to be. That has a y-intercept of 3, and since it has a slope of 1/2, that means we rise 1 and run to the right 2. Or you could do the opposite. You could fall 1 and run to the left 2. Fall 1, run to the left 2. And there's our approximate line. You guys are probably better at drawing lines than I am. So my eraser doesn't really work on this program, but you can see I went back and changed the line. I made it dotted. I made a dashed line, and that's because I want to make sure I don't include solutions that are exactly on the line, since I don't have the less than or equal to. So I make a dashed line just to say, hey, you pick a point in this line, it's not going to be a solution. And you remember where we chose a random point 4, 1, plugged it in, it turned out to be true? Our solution is going to be all this area below the graph. Because if that one dot was true, then all these other dots must be true. Anything above the graph is going to be false. And you can pick any point you want, so the easiest point usually is to grab this 0, 0, the origin. If you plug 0 in for y and 0 in for x, you get 0 is less than 3, because this turns into 0. That's true. 0 is less than 3, so that's another point that's a solution. So all the solutions are all the dots over here.